If your listener is completely lost during your episode, they might not listen to you again. I'm not going to claim to be smart or not smart. I'll just say we all have smartness in our own ways. And there's been a few times where I watch a show, I watch a movie, and I love it because I can kind of see what's going to happen. Of course, they set it up for you. And so you're like, oh, I wonder if this person's going to jump out of the bushes. I wonder if she's going to end up dating that guy. I wonder if he's going to win the race. And I think he will. Why would they make a movie of it? And it gets exciting because you can follow the story. And then there's other times where you don't really know what's going on with the story and you feel like you missed something. You feel like you might have not watched the last episode. Like, how come I don't really know what's going on? And what ends up happening to some of us when we get in that position, and by some of us, I mean probably most of us, when we get to a place where we really don't understand what's happening in the show, in the podcast episode, in the movie, we might decide to turn it off. We might decide the next time that we want to watch a show that maybe that show's not for us. I don't want to claim that I'm smart or not smart. I am a person and I am really good at some things and I'm really bad at other things. And if I'm watching a movie and I feel like I can follow along with it, I'm probably going to keep watching it. If I'm watching a movie and I feel lost, or if I watch a show or a series and one or two of them end and I just didn't really know why I was there, then what would I do? Well, me, Adam Adams, I would actually probably pick a different show. The next time I was wanting to watch a show, I'd probably pick something that was easier to follow along with. And so you need your listener to be able to follow along with you. A confused mind says no. So if they are not following along, they're going to leave you. So if you throw around these terms like IRR, CPA, cash on cash, if you use terms like Wasatch Front Range, or Western Slopes, and there's a lot of people that will listen, or any people really, if there's anybody who's going to listen and is going to be completely lost, not be able to follow along or hire you, then you're doing yourself a disservice. You're doing your listener a disservice. You're not serving your listener because you don't really understand what level they are, that they are on the 101 level. Sure, you've got some 201s and 301s, but a significant amount of your listeners 10 years from now, they're listening to episode 500, and that's the first episode they ever heard. They're listening to episode 1500. Can you imagine getting to 1500 episodes? You will get there. And as you get there, just remember to keep on the same level as your listener, and help them to be able to feel like they're not lost when they listen to your show.